jumping rope in tap dance shoes. So you want to experience what it's like to jump rope while you wear tap dance shoes, but you don't have tap dance shoes. In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 easy ways to improvise or mimic what it's like to jump rope in tap dance shoes. I'm going to show you how to make some DIY tap dance shoes. Just about to head outside and jump rope. So I want to get on the camera and make a quick video in response to the video I uploaded just there recently where I was wearing tap dance shoes while jumping rope. I received some great responses, and I even received a question in my email inbox asking how could someone experience what it's like to jump rope in tap dance shoes even if they don't have tap dance shoes. So let's get to it. So here are my regular boxing boots, and here what I did here, this is a very easy makeshift DIY pair of tap dance shoes. All I did was I took some coins and I taped them to the bottom of the sole here around the toe area. So here I used Scotch tape, which is not ideal. I'm just doing this for display purposes. So what you could do is get some coins, get some duct tape, which is stronger, and wrap a few layers of duct tape around the coins, and that will keep the coins secure in place for a jump rope session. So you could put the coins here. You could also put the coins on the heel to mimic a tap dance shoe. Okay, so you could use some duct tape, but if you really want to step it up a notch, and let's say you don't want to go buy a pair of tap dance shoes, what you can do is get some crazy glue. If you have an old pair of running shoes, for example, and you're going to throw them out anyways, or you don't really use them, but you want to make your own kind of makeshift DIY tap dance shoes, get some coins and you can crazy glue them to the sole of the shoe. Crazy glue them here, and you can also crazy glue them here, and then you have your own tap dance shoes. So that's a very easy way to make your own tap dance shoes. If you don't want to use crazy glue but you want to get the experience, get some duct tape, only costs $1 or $2, and wrap a few layers around the sole, keeping the coins in place. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this quick tip, DIY tap dance shoes.